What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be installing a nameless, pretty sure 3-inch axleback to unrice the WRX. First things first is fixing the sound, I suppose. So this car actually came with a muffler delete, and I do not like it. I don't like the idea of a muffler delete anymore. I think it's gross. You know, I'm older now. I'm better than this. You know, so I bought a name brand axleback on Facebook, which is pretty great. So today I'm going to be installing it, and hopefully there's no seized bolts or nuts or anything, but here we go. So here they are. I think this is a 4 or 5-inch muffler. Well, it doesn't matter, it has some mufflers on it, and I don't think it's gonna make such a too big of a difference when it comes to sound. Just a little bit more throaty. And these are significant. These are super light, like lighter than my 3-inch full race I had on the Civic. But let's start installing these. It's pretty cool, nameless, right on the little band thing. It's pretty cool. Okay, went under and sprayed the car with some WD. Found out it's a 14 mil. And biggest thing I love about working on non-lowered cars, you can just sneak my fat ass right through. So muffler delete right here. Don't know if they chopped the mufflers or if it's an aftermarket one. But the welds aren't disgusting, so I'm not even sure. Yeah, it doesn't look too complicated, so we'll see how this goes. I had to lift up the car because I didn't have space, but something splendid just happened. There we go. Yeah, that's fantastic. So, do not know if I have a bolt and nut to fix that, because I don't want a fat leak. So I'm gonna probably just pause the video here for a while and then come back later. Yeah, fuck.
1 week later.
Okay, so it's been a couple days now since that broken bolt. Bought the bolts for the axleback, and for some reason Canadian Tire did not have a simple 2-inch 2-bolt muffler gasket, so I'm gonna make my own. I want to give a big shout out to Matt, aka Fort Cannon. He's the guy with the cool Integra, the DA9 one. So he'd actually lent me the sheet of gasket. I think he bought it from Princess Auto. So what I'm gonna do is just make the gasket out of this. So, super simple. I have the axleback right here. I'm just gonna outline the holes for to the gasket and stuff, and that's it. Really, it's super simple. I don't want to use I only want to use as much as I need, and I got some metal snippers. And yeah, it should be super easy. Matt told me that the hard part is actually going to be drilling out the holes, but we'll see about that. Still, oh, my car is trash. Oh, you know what I should have done? Maybe I should have done the holes first so I can line it up. But yeah, it should be super simple. So now, I'm gonna start cutting it. It's doing pretty good. There we go. And then right here. Oh, shitty gasket. This is pretty cool, actually. I'm not even gonna. Okay, I got a better marker this time, and I outlined it. Hopefully, I can trim it with that little metal cutter thingy, clipper, and make it look nice, and then just make another one. Usually, I would buy like a vibrant gasket, but I don't really care because this is like an axleback. It's not a real exhaust, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, the holes have been marked out. I'm gonna go take a drill bit to it, and then I think the issue I'm gonna have is making the center hole, which I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll just drill a hole in and then cut around with that thing, but we'll see. I'll film the process. Okay, I found my dad's old dusty table vise and a drill. Honestly, don't know what to expect. But yeah, I'm gonna drill a pilot hole first and then just go bigger afterwards. All right, here we go. You know what? That wasn't too bad. Just let the drill do the work. Okay, I just need the hole to be big enough to hold one of these bolts. It's right here. And I think I found the perfect drill bit for that. So it's a tad bit bigger. I think I should be all right. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep stepping up and make my life easier. Okay, here we are. Jesus. Work on cars, they said. It'd be fun, they said. God damn it. Okay, so I'm just gonna make another one of these and not do that. Let's see if here's the hole. There we go. Hopefully the bolt fits. I mean, yeah. Perfect. Oh my god, dude. Okay, drill the other side and I gotta make one more and I'm done. Both the holes drilled out and now I gotta do the center. So how I did it was I just put it against the back of the muffler, or the front of the muffler I guess, and just pressed down really hard on it to make a crease on the cardboard. And I just marked it out. Okay, I drilled the hole and I should have used WD-40 because if you're drilling through metal you should use it to protect the bit, so that was my bad, but now you know. So my plan of attack is I made those like triangle slices and I'm just gonna cut with these on that and we'll see how it goes instead of just going in a circle. It'll be easier and I can clean up the edges later. Oh, there we go. I think I got an idea coming. Not too bad. Just gotta keep cleaning it up and I think I got it. Okay, so I did the best I could without a Dremel. And it looks kind of hexagonal, but if it's, I'm gonna flat disc that with an angle grinder. But yeah, homemade gasket. I'll never fucking do it again. Just buy a vibrant one. Just couldn't find a 2-inch 2-bolt, as I said earlier. It is hard as shit to cut through this and drill through this. But the learning experience was definitely worth it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go make the second one. So here's my first attempt. I cleaned up the edges a little bit and not too bad actually. I'm pretty happy with this. Still gotta like sand down that little crease. And here's my second attempt. A lot cleaner. A lot cleaner. Not centered, but it still fits in the exhaust. So second attempt, first attempt. Yeah, not too bad. I'm actually kind of happy about these. Can't wait to put these on my fucking car. Okay, I have the angle grinder. Gonna soften up the edges on the gaskets. So, make sure you have the protection, because I don't want to breathe in the metal, and safety glasses. I'm gonna do the Vietnamese dad way because I got shorts and slippers on. So, hopefully this doesn't mess up the camera. You know, there's a smarter way of doing this. I'm gonna get some pliers. Okay, everything is sanded down smooth. Yeah, I'm actually pretty proud of this. It doesn't look the greatest, but I'll have to do. Just sand it down, the drill marks and the cuts. But yeah, no more finger cutting. It's been a couple days since I made those gaskets. Let's get back under the car and hopefully I can have an easy time taking those axlebacks out. And for some reason, it's at the end of April now, almost May, and it's freezing outside. Like, freezing outside. So I want to get this done. So yeah, here we go. I usually don't record me like breaking bolts and stuff, but considering how the last one went, I'm pretty sure it'll be funny. So I have my little contraption here. They're two 14s. Bolt right here. Got this nice little blue bar for some leverage. And yeah, here we go. Oh, that was actually pretty easy. I think the WD actually worked. That's sick, dude. Well, you look at that. Oh, that is horrid. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but I'm definitely gonna use those stainless steel bolts. This looks bad. I'm praying to God that these ones will be a lot easier. Working on rust is so fun. Broke another bolt. Pretty easy considering how I'm breaking these, but stuck in the socket, and you can definitely see the rust weld. Beautiful, fantastic. Canada. Okay, all the bolts are out. There's like no gasket left over. And yeah, this is the result. Broken bolts. Fucking love it. Now the easy part. I don't know if you can get my sarcasm, but it's just to pull those out the hangers. Should be pretty easy actually, because they just wobble themselves, but take that out, put the new one in, and then bolt everything up. This is gonna be funny. I pulled out the muffler deletes, found out, let's bring it to the light. They were nameless muffler deletes. So it wasn't just some cheap muffler cutoffs. These are kind of worth some money, which is great. It's funny because I'm gonna put nameless axlebacks with mufflers, and they're gonna sound almost similar, just quiet. I don't know how to feel about that. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna clean these up and probably just sell them. Okay, so I sanded down the surface of this muffler and the stock wide pipe just so that there's a better seal. And to put the hangers on easier, it's best to like glue them up a little bit. You can just spray them down with a WD-40 and they'll just slip right in. Okay, the nameless axleback is on now. What about the muffler? The tips are a little bit tinier. It doesn't fill out the hole as much, but it looks a lot more stealth. Yeah, wasn't too bad of an install except for the rusty bolts. So let's see what they sound like. Well, my camera died, so I'm gonna do the outro anyways. Thank you for watching, everyone. Super easy exhaust. Well, not easy except for the rusted bolts, but other than that, it was really easy to do. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more Subaru WRX content. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.